19 cup/4.7 quarts oil capacity. Large oil capacity cooks up to 12 cups of favorite fried foods at one time. Less mess. Splatter-free frying. Use vented lid while frying to avoid splatters with this professional-style deep fryer. Watch cooking through the view window and lid. Basket with hook for easy, mess-free draining. 3 chrome-plated baskets included. This professional-style deep fryer includes 1 large and 2 half-size chrome-plated baskets with hooks for easy draining. Removable parts for easy cleaning. Heating element removes for easy cleaning. Enamel-coated oil tank. Lid and baskets are dishwasher safe. Fast at-home restaurant quality cooking. Make restaurant-style fried foods in minutes right in your own kitchen. Skip takeout and long lines. The powerful 1800-watt immersed heating element fries your favorite foods quickly and evenly. Convenient and safe. A breakaway cord prevents the fryer from tipping over if the cord is snagged. Avoid splatters with this professional-style deep fryer by monitoring cooking through the view window. Absolute temperature control. Adjustable temperature dial from 265 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Ready light lets you know your oil is at the optimum heat to get flawless cooking results. Safety features. Breakaway cord prevents the fryer from tipping over if the cord is snagged. Hamilton Beach deep fryers are generously sized for greater versatility, some even accommodating a whole chicken. What's more, you can fry crispy, mouth-watering foods without the mess you've come to expect. Food can be lowered into hot oil and lifted out while the lid is closed for splatter-free frying. Hamilton Beach deep fryers also feature adjustable heat and convenient timers. Hamilton Beach consumer deep fryers for the home are easy to clean and most models include a dishwasher-safe non-stick pot. The breakaway cord featured on most deep fryers makes storage easy too. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent deep fryer. The one I ordered was used, supposedly refurbished. No. It was broken. Refurbished on Amazon means you got someone else's defect or problem. Replaced it with a new one and no problems. Takes up a lot of counter space. Some models have only 2 small baskets and this has 2 small and 1 large basket. This is the model to get. Hamilton Beach is not helpful with replacement parts. The power cord is not a standard cord. It is magnetically attached for safety. Great design, but when it needs replacement. Must add, vent on top needs a metal/carbon grease filter. Only operate in well-ventilated area. Oil vapor will get everywhere when oil cooking. Cover everything with tin foil in the vicinity. Also buy a thermometer. The type with a long wire probe for ovens.